In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a light bar using the new extended Stow range from Rhino-Rack. Before commencing, refer to the online instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied. The first step is to join the two Zwift lock connectors together and attach to the underside of the Stow base bracket using the supplied bolts. Next, close the Zwift lock mechanism and insert the base bracket to the front of the Rhino-Rack Pioneer. In this instance, the right side. Repeat the same process on the left. Next, insert the light bar adapters to either side of the bar and secure with the supplied nuts. Ensure the distance between the Stow base brackets match the light bar adapters. Once aligned, carefully position into place by sliding the mounting system together and secure with the supplied bolts. Once you have connected power, your light bar is ready for use, thanks to the new extended Stow range from Rhino-Rack.